What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage back on the video, and as you can see by the title, I'll be asking my subscribers and new subscribers that's joined today if y'all grab the Air Jordan 3 Katrinas. This shoe's sold out on the sneakers app, but it's a couple more sites that still has them available, so I'll be letting y'all know in this video. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, ring the notification bell for your boy, and we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, so as you can see, the Air Jordan 3 Katrinas. Let y'all see that up close real quick. I hope y'all did not sleep on this shoe, man. As you seen by the damn title, as you seen by the thumbnail, these sold out on the sneakers app. But y'all know how they be doing like the random restocks or whatever on the sneakers app or whatever. So I'm gonna check again. I checked right when they released at 10 o'clock, and I'm gonna check again, and we're gonna see if they sold out. Cause you know they be fucking sneakers app be playing games. They be like acting like they sold out so people can be like, oh fuck. So when they do a restock, everybody jump on it, you know what I'm saying? And as you can see, or as I see, oh see, I said it said 190 retail. I hit buy and it says sold out. It says my size, so we're gonna see what other sizes they have. And then it says a whole full size run. You see that? I don't get it, man. The same thing happened to me when I tried to get the Blue Moon best hand in the game pack ones, and they just did the same thing. I try to click on the size, you gonna see, and it says sorry, we cannot process your order, or it says it does not have your size. So I don't know what sneakers app really be doing. Like I don't know if it's a glitch or what, but every size you click, yeah, see now it says sold out again. As you can see, sold out on the sneakers app. So checking StockX real quick, see if the retail is going crazy. I know there is sizes still available where I'm at in my local sneaker shop. I'm not sure about in the States on Foot Locker, but I do know that they're still sitting a couple of sizes on footlocker.com. I just checked. I did not check Foot Action, but I'm pretty sure Foot Action got them and Champs. So if you still want this shoe, you better go ahead and get them, man. This shoe gonna go up in price, I'm telling you. They haven't dropped a regular 3 in a minute, man, you know what I'm saying? And I'm glad I got this pair. I'm glad I bought y'all that review and on feet. So if y'all haven't checked that out, go check it out. Because this shoe right here, I'm telling you, the leather is better than any regular GR3 that has dropped. Better than the Black Cement 3s. Where's my Black Cements? Let me grab my Black Cements real quick. But yeah, they're better than the Black Cements. They're better, way better than the True Blue 3s that y'all seen in my video, my last video. And yeah, I think I said that they might be the same. I'm not sure. But these right here, that white leather, I guess it's, I don't know. This shoe I feel like is better quality than this one right here. They made a lot of these pairs, and the way it's looking, these are not as fucking available as people think. These was like a major GR. These right here, I feel like they load down the quantities of the Air Jordan 3s, the Katrinas. And yeah, so like I said, if you want them, you better get them now. Let's see the price on StockX right quick. Yeah, so my size right now is going for $225. So pretty much $225 and up. 13.5 is like $290. It should probably stay around $250, $300 range for at least to the end of the year. You know, people keep sleeping on shoes. They start hiking up the prices, and shit get crazy. You know what I'm saying? Shit gets crazy. So if you want them, make sure you go check out footlocker.com. Go check out who else might have copped? Eastbay might have got them. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go check it out. Did y'all sleep on this Air Jordan 3 Katrina? Did you sleep? They sold out, man. If you want them, hurry up and try to find them. Hurry up and get them on resale right now while you can. Only going for $30 of retail. You cannot beat that. And I have a dope sneaker on the way. I cannot wait to share this reviewing on feet. I'm copping it right now because my local store isn't getting them. So like I said, y'all stay tuned. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Subscribe to my NBA Podcast channel. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. I think I already said that. I don't fucking know. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let me know if you cop or you drop. Peace.